Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. I have a lot of videos, so I have around 200 videos for UiPath. Today I have an idea on how we'll make a fast search on YouTube. So what's the idea? When you want something from UiPath, you go to YouTube and search for a lot of stuff. Let's say that you search for UiPath forms, yeah? But there are a lot of videos from a lot of people. YouTube is a free it's a free platform, and you can sometime you can lose the time you're watching to a lot of YouTube videos. So to accelerate this stuff, I create a simple workflow, and on this simple workflow I have this stuff. So because I'm a YouTuber and I watch a lot of YouTube and I understand a lot of stuff from UiPath, I decide to create a category of this stuff on YouTube. So for example, if I want on UiPath to learn from Action Center, yeah? And on the Action Center, I want 3 ways to complete an external task, for example. I will go here, and this one will open the video from GP in this case. And in here he will explain exactly how to complete this external task. Yeah. So basically, I will show you directly the answer to your question in a video that was filtered and so on and so on. So what's the idea with this one? Let's go here, for example, on other. The idea is like this. I will provide you this file, which is so if I want to link. And I want, for example, how to make a join, I will go here, and this will provide the video from Mahmoud TV exactly on join, yeah? Okay, so the idea is like this. I have here on the GitHub. So on GitHub, I share with you these 2 files. So it's answer question on your YouTube and ask question for your YouTube. So basically, I create a file that it's on 2020 22.10, and I have a file also on 2020.10. Yeah. So everyone basically should be able to access these files. So it's just a file, doesn't have any dependence. So you see it, I have just system activity and UI automation. So I don't have any dependence. You just open a Chrome browser to show you the YouTube movie. You publish your file here on the orchestrator. You will go here, publish. You can put it on your orchestrator, or you just run it like this. If you want on the orchestrator, be sure that you have here a setting. So on this one, on this file, I have here some variables with a list with data. To not use Excel file or other stuff, I have here with the list of data. So basically, if you are not able to publish, go here on the settings design and enforce analyze before publishing, because he doesn't like some stuff with some variables. That's all, nothing else. And after you install this on your PC, you just have here an assistant, and this assistant will answer to your question for UiPath. So let's say that you want to go with document understanding, and on the document understanding you want to do what? How to use the form extractor, yeah? And if you go to form extractor, basically you will have here a video from Marcelo with explaining the form extractor exactly, yeah? So this is just 20 or 25% of the data that I have. I have a lot of data but I just want to show you the way how I approach this stuff. So please download, if you like the idea, please download download the 2 files. What you have, 2022 or 2020, download the files, run, see what what the system provide to you, and tell me what else you want to implement. I will put all the stuff from Salesforce, from ServiceNow, from everything will be, and I will implement also a search. But please try to give me feedback on this stuff and tell me if this will help you on your way to learn UiPath. So the main idea is to have information that it's already filtered from YouTube, and you just go to the direct point based on my experience. And thank you, thanks very much for all other YouTubers like GP, Marcelo, Mahmoud Tefe, Anders, and so on that create very, very nice stuff on the YouTube. So this is just a filter to allow you to fast way to answer to your UiPath questions on this stuff. As usual, if you like my movies, please subscribe to my channel and ask me what else you want to see on my channel. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.